Where are the students of the junior secondary school? Now, this is your question. We have to find the LCM of 2 and 8. And in this video, I'm going to show you two ways to solve this. That means I'm going to introduce two methods or two patterns for you to understand this. Now, it's either you understand the first step or you understand the second step. But the most important thing is you must understand one. All right. Now, LCM means lowest common multiple. You get? That's the meaning of LCM. So when we are asked to find the LCM of 2 and 8, for the first method, this is how you are going to do it. You take the smaller number first, which is 2, before you take what? 8. You get? You pick out 2 first before you write 8. Now, what is the smallest number that can go into 2 and 8? Is what? 2. Now, 2 will come here. 2 will go into 2, 1. 2 will go into 8, 4. Now you come down again. Once you get to 1, your work is done for that part. Once you get to 1, your work is done. So 1 will keep coming up. So 2 will go into 4, 2. Just as I said, once you get to 1, your work is done. So this is for this row. This comes down. 2 will go into 2, 1. So at this point, our work is now done. So now you count from the bottom to the up. From here, up. So that will be 2 times 2 times 2. 2 in 1, 2, 3 in 3 places. 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. So the LCM of 2 and 8 is what? 8. This is for the first method. Now let's come to the second method. We are looking for the LCM of 2 and 8. Now remember, LCM means lowest common multiple. So when you're talking about lowest common multiple, that means if you read meaning into the statement, lowest common multiple, that means if I can take the multiples of 2, I can also take the multiples of what? 8. Then after taking the two multiples, I will look for something that is common between them before I will look for the lowest. So here you are going to move from multiple to the common to the lowest. So this is how you are going to do it. You say multiples of 2. So the multiples of 2 are what? 2. Multiple means you pick a number, you add that same number, you keep on adding that number repeatedly. So the multiples of 2 is what? 2. When you add 2, you have 4. When you add 2, you have 6. You add 2, you have 8. Add 2 again, 10. Add 2 again, 12. Like that, and we're going are the multiples of what? 2. Now, what are the multiples of 8? So multiples of 8 are 8. If I add 8 again, 16. If I add 8 again, 24. If I add 8 again, 32. If I add 8 again, 40. Like that, it continues. Those are the multiples of what? 8. So I'm done with what? M. Now, the next thing is what? Common. You know, this lowest common multiple. We are done with the multiples now. Now, common multiples means the multiple that I can see here, and I can still see in this one. I can see the multiples. The multiple of 2. That multiple here, I can also see it here. This is just very simple. Now, let's look. When you look at the multiples of 2, what can you see here and you can also see here? That is what we are asking you. There is 2 here, there is no 2. There is 4, there is no 4. There is 6, there is no 6. There is 8, and we have 8. There is 10, there is no 10. There is 12, there is no 12. So the common multiple is the multiple I can see in 2. It's the multiple I can see among the multiples of 2, and I can also see them among the multiples of 8. So 8 is here and 8 is also what? Here. So I will take common multiples, that's CM, or let me just say common multiple, which is CM, is equal to what? 8. I've gotten the common multiple now. Now the lowest, there's no other number attached to it. So therefore the lowest common multiple is equal to what? 8. So LCM of 2 and 8 is equal to what? 8. You can see method 2 gives us 8, method 1 gives us 8. So among the two, you can choose any method of your choice. Remember, the goal is to make you understand mathematics. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.